I'm Gia Nicolaides. It's day 148 of the national lockdown. 195 more people have died in South Africa after contracting COVID-19, bringing the death toll to over 12,600. The number of active cases, people who still have the virus, is just over 90,000. The recovery rate is held steady for most of the week. It's now at 82%, meaning just under 500,000 people have recovered from COVID-19 so far. The Office of the Public Protector says it will be extending its investigations into the state of healthcare facilities to field hospitals in the country. The Public Protector has been touring hospitals to check whether they're capacitated to deal with COVID-19. Staff shortages and poor quality personal protective equipment have been flagged at the majority of facilities so far. Now, the public support for President Cyril Ramaphosa and the rest of government has declined since the start of the nationwide lockdown in late March. This is according to a study conducted by the University of Johannesburg and the Human Sciences Research Council. The first round of surveying between April and May included over 12,000 respondents, while the second round was completed in July with over 2,500 South African adults participating. In the first round, 85% of respondents believed Ramaphosa was doing a good job, but in round 2, the figure dropped to 61%. Meanwhile, the soldiers implicated in the killing of Collins Khoza will be suspended, but also get their full pay while waiting for the outcome of a criminal investigation looking into the matter. A report by the military ombudsman found that the soldiers acted improperly, irregularly, and in contravention of their code of conduct when they entered Khoza's home in Alexandra earlier this year to enforce lockdown regulations. Khoza died after the altercation. Vaccine specialist Professor Shabir Mahdi says it's important that South Africa explore different options for COVID-19 vaccines. Wits University has this week started screening participants for its second vaccine trial. He says the legacy of vaccines shows that only about 10% of vaccines part of human trials are eventually found to be safe for licensing. So even though there are close to 40 different vaccines that have now gone on to human study, we would be very fortunate if only 4 or 5 of those vaccines are eventually found to be safe. And singing is no riskier than speaking when it comes to the possibility of spreading the coronavirus, according to British scientists. The researchers found that the amount of aerosol and droplets rose the same amount when speaking and singing, with higher volumes increasing the amounts. The UK is now allowing singers to practice and perform with social distancing. For more on the pandemic, go to our website ewn.co.za/coronavirus, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
For more, go to ewn.co.za.